Okay, so this week we're going to be taking on a broccoli pizza crust is what the random thing that came up. What purpose does it serve? I don't really know. I mean, high fiber, I guess, higher protein because it's going to have eggs and cheese in the crust itself. And we're going to do ours gluten-free just so that it fits some niche anyway, so to speak. So first thing we're going to do is we got 3 heads of broccoli. Couldn't all fit it at once. We're going to turn this into a rice. And of course, it doesn't just all do it nice and smooth, so you're going to have to move things around. All right, I don't know if I would call it a rice, but it's definitely pureed, so we're just going to roll with that. All right, so to assemble this, we got some, we're going to use gluten-free flour. You can use regular flour, about 1/4 cup. A cup of kind of reduced fat pizza mozzarella, shredded inside there. 4 eggs. And about a teaspoon of salt and 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. And now we're just going to mash up our dough and then get it ready to spread it out and make our pizza. Okay, and we have my Oscar the Grouch in a blender concoction here. And it says use a baking dish, but I'm just going to go ahead and use a pizza tray lined with parchment. And we're going to do our best to shape this in the shape of something that resembles a pizza crust. So this is about as close as I can get to a pizza crust. We're going to put this in a 400-degree oven now and get it to set. We're going to take it out and we're just going to try for like a margarita pizza, just mozzarella with some basil and tomato sauce, and we'll go from there. All right. Okay, so here it is. My whole house smells like broccoli at this point. But now we're going to dress it up like a pizza, and we're going to see if this tastes as strong of broccoli as it smells. Okay, this is as much lipstick as I can put on this pig. And now we're going to throw this into the oven for another 10 minutes. Go. And voila. It's quite spongy, like because of all the eggs, almost kind of like a bit of a souffle almost in a way. But let's see how it is. I don't think it's going to have enough strength to kind of hold up on its own, but no, not really. Kind of comes apart really simple, so this might be a knife and fork job, or I'm going to let it sit for a couple minutes and just see if maybe it kind of hardens up as it cools. And then we'll plate it. So we let it cool and it's kind of holding together, so thoughts and prayers. It's not good. I'm sorry, it's not. This is the Buff Dudes Cookbook, the broccoli pizza crust. Hopefully we have better luck with future recipes from this book. So until next week, we'll see what the roulette picks and we'll go from there.